In this video, I want to show you how to download, install Alpha network mining app and start mining Alpha coin. It is better you start now so that it will not be too late. So let's go to Play Store to download it. Click on search here and come here and search for Alpha network mining app. Here is it, Alpha network mining app. When it opens, this is the symbol, so click on install. Yes, it's installing. The installation is complete, so we can open from here or we can just go to our home screen. Let's look for the app, and here is it. This is Alpha network mining app. Let's open to get started. When it opens, this is the initial interface. You can see here language English. If you click on it, you can select your language here. Then here you can see options to continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or to continue with email. Whichever one you choose, you can continue with. Let's continue with email. Then here, since we are new to the app, if you already have an account, you just enter your email, your password, and click on login. Since we are new to the app, here we are going to click on create new account. So here you are going to enter your email, your password, repeat your password, and click on create account. Let me quickly do that. So enter your password and repeat the password here and click on create account. Yes, a verification code will be sent to your email. So you have to insert the verification code here. So let's check our email. I can see the notification here. So this is the verification code. You can see it here. So I can just highlight and copy it. Then I'll go back to the mining app and click here and paste the code. Then click on confirm account. Request succeed. Your account has been verified. Click on OK. So here I want it as English. I click on English and I click on select language. Yes, here you need a referral code. So enter the referral code you are seeing on the screen. This referral code is my invitation code. Enter it here. So enter the referral code, fill in your detail here. After entering your information and your username, click on continue. You can see the app has opened. Now start mining. Press the button to start mining section. So when you press this button, the mining section will start. Click on this button to start mining. Then click on allow. You can see the mining has started, and because I use a referral code, I got 1 coin, and the mining section lasts for 24 hours. So which means after 24 hours, I will need to come back here and start a new mining section. Worthy of note is every 30 minutes, you get a free box. So you can see open loot box. So let's open it and see what we've got. You can win coin or rate increase. Click here to open the loot box. Wow, this is the reward. Then claim. You can see after 30 minutes, another loot box will open. So just click on back since we have claimed this. So you can see that my coins has increased. So this is how to download, install, and set up your account and start mining Alpha coin. If you have comments or any question, ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.